Hi guys, back to my channel. It is a half-horsepower water pump. I didn't like the impeller that came with it. Its impeller cannot lift water with good pressure. So today I will build an impeller and set it up with this. So let's make an impeller. I removed the impeller cover and separated the metal impeller. I will replace this impeller with a plastic impeller. These are the cooling fan blades used in the motor. I'll work with a fan from here. First, I used an angle grinder to make the fan to the exact thickness of the impeller. I will now use M-Seal glue as the plastic fans are flimsy. It is M-Seal glue. Take equal amount of glue from both parts and mix well. Now I applied the mixture to the middle part of the fan. M-Seal adhesive is applied properly. Now let it harden for 4 to 5 hours. Here, my impeller is done. This lock pin helps in locking the impeller. Drilled the necessary holes to install the lock on the new impeller. Now set up the new impeller by keeping the lock in place on the shaft. I installed the rubber water seal now. Then I installed the impeller cover and fixed it with all the bolts. Now I connected the motor to water source and supplied electricity. Wow, the new impeller is delivering water at pretty good pressure. I think that with better modifications, it is possible to pump water at high pressures with this motor. How is the video and how to make it better? You can write your opinion in comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.